Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Many of times we buy a lot of ingredients to make certain dishes, but then after making that particular dishes, we are left with many other things which is not fully used. Example, Appa bought the bell pepper, the yellow, green and red bell pepper to make guluyok the other day, but I still have a lot. So especially Chinese New Year is coming. Every one of us will be having a lot of leftovers, remaining vegetable here and there. So what I would suggest is just throw them all together and stir fry and become a mixed veggie dish.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
So let's take a look at the ingredient. I have of course 3 colors of this is whatever I have left inside my fridge. Bell peppers. This is the small jagung, and this is the French beans. Is it called French? No, this is, I don't know what bean is this called. But anyway, when you are eating this kind of bean, you have to actually do something like this to remove this string here. Okay, if not, it's going to be very chewy. I have a bit of cabbage, and just add in some chicken stock, a little bit of chopped ginger, shallot and also garlic, and a bit of oyster sauce. That's it. Alright, let's put some oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil here. Raise the heat. Open my cooking hood. Saute ginger, garlic, shallot for a minute or 2 before we continue. So we will come back shortly. So this after about a minute sauteing. You can throw in the veggie. Give it a few stir. Nice. Add in some chicken stock. We can give it some seasoning right now. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. A bit of light soy sauce. A little bit of Shaoxing wine. My hand is very slippery. A little bit of salt. I'll skip sugar today. And let's let it simmer a little bit, and we will prepare the cornstarch solution very fast. About 2 teaspoons of cornstarch powder. Add about 3 times of water. Alright. Give it a few more stir. Almost done. This is super easy. Now I'm going to off the fire, putting in the starch solution. Give it a few stir. And I'm going to give it a little bit of white pepper. few dashes, and also garlic oil or sesame oil, just to give it enhanced flavor towards the end. A little bit more. Alright, done. Very simple but very yummy dish. Okay, now dish it out. Okay, so if you have some fried garlic at home, put it on top. Done. I can finish one whole bowl of rice just with this stir-fry mixed veggie. Alright, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Do not waste food, yeah? Bye bye!